having the right light when you're working on stuff is really important. And don't get me started with if somebody's holding a light for you. And that's why something like this is awesome. Look how much lighting you have. And this light right here is epic because it's magnetic and it's dope. Now this foldable work light is by a company called Hokolite, and I can tell you this is really neat. Well, first off, when they made foldable, check this out. These little lights on the side, these ear lights I call them, they just fold in, got a little handle, but this is kind of like a transformer because when you fold them out, this also turns on its base, and then this can also attach magnetically, and it's got feet, which is really crazy. So somebody really thought this out, and I appreciate it because there was an engineer somewhere who took a lot of pride into building a cool light. And I can tell you that having a light when you're working in your garage that does more than one thing is super critical. So you have this type of base that turns so you can adjust it. It's magnetic. These are adjustable, but the features that this comes with is really cool. And I think there's no better way than showing it to you in the dark. Now, a really neat feature is that there's a glow around here, like a glow in the dark feature, so you could find your light, and that's pretty cool. It's like this Indiglow, but we're gonna go ahead and press the button. We're gonna press it once, and that's straight at the camera, and then 2, that's very bright, and then we got the left one, right one, and then boom, this action, which is neat, and then of course a strobe action, and we're back to off. And on top of it, they also gave you this readout, 25, 50, 75, and 100 for the actual battery life, which is helpful so you can keep track of how much battery you have instead of it just dying on you. And one of the things that makes lights good or bad is if you could adjust them to aim at the right direction. And what I love about that is that you got up and down, side to side, you've got all directions of access. And here is the cool part. I'm literally gonna be jacking up the car and I want to be able to see underneath it, and I can now. So when I set my jack up, I'm setting up in the pinch point and I'm able to jack it up. We're underneath the car, we need some light, and boom, we have light now. But this is good. This is definitely going to help us do some repairs, work on a car. Definitely like this light. Now, I get really excited when I find a tool or something that's gonna help me do my jobs that I need to do in the garage. I've been living with the pin light, which is really good and it's helpful for certain jobs, but literally I've been using these for a long time and they're just a pain to work with. But having something like this really brings a new lighting product to your work, which is super helpful. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. If you guys want to pick one up, I highly recommend it. This is a really, really good light. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. We appreciate it. Hit that like button. Make sure you take care, and we'll see you soon.